everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. This video is a Glossybox November unboxing, which I've already unboxed, but I'm going to show you what's in it, and a giveaway with some of the products in the October kit that I didn't use and some of the ones that I'm not using in this one. The difference between the October and the November one is that this time I did the little questionnaire, so lots of the products I got were things that I really like. So let's just talk about the Glossybox subscription. This is not sponsored, I'm just filming it because I like the Glossybox. You get 6-7 products in every Glossybox. It costs £6 when you first subscribe, and then it's about $13 per box. It comes in a really nice box which you can use for other purposes. So this one, and it says Glossybox on top. They're very sturdy, really good boxes. Now in this box we had this Candy Cosmetics Pre-Glow Mist, which is full size and it is 120 ml. Then you get the, what's this called? Cetaphil. This is a little cleanser. This is a little cleanser which you can use, so I'm going to use this. And then there is a hair oil which is called Husk. It's a keratin oil, smoothing shine hair oil. Really nice, you know, when you want to keep your hair nice and shiny. Of course, a beautiful hand cream, which is from Rituals, and it is soothing hand balm. The scent is Indian rose and sweet almond oil. I really like Rituals. If you haven't tried their hand creams, you should. They're really good. And a mask, a face mask, called Mud Musky. It's Leave Me On Winter Mask. It's protecting, moisturizing, and ultra repairing, nourishing, anti-aging, and it is 40 ml. Now I'm not sure how much. I think one of these products costs like £35. I don't know. The thing that I'm going to give away is this one, the Pre-Glow Mist, because I'm not going to use it. I don't really use mists, so this is not going to stay with me. This is going to go to someone, one of you guys who is a subscriber. And from the past kits, I'm also going to give away the May Banana setting powder and this Still eyeshadow kit. There you go, palette. These are the colors. And the eyeliner. I'm going to give these away because it's a MCO Beauty Eye Divine Crayon Liner in black. I don't use eyeliner because I can't see. I don't use eyeshadows because I can't see. I have banana powders. I'm not very keen on them. And the mist I don't use. So these 4 things are going to go to one of you. The only thing you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below. Leave your Instagram or Twitter handle if you have one, so it's easier for me to DM you. This will be open only in the UK, I guess. Well, internationally. And I will open internationally. And I will hold this until the, let's say, the 15th of December. So you will find the details down in the description box if you forget. And yeah, thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Oh yeah, the Glossybox. Sorry guys. It also had, this is an amazing review of the products. It also has random tea. Last time it had a hot cocoa or something, hot chocolate. This time it has tea. So yeah, I think if you want, you should try it. It's a few months. You can cancel whenever you want. And yeah. Don't forget to take part in the giveaway if you're interested in these 4 products I just talked about as part of the giveaway. I'll see you in my next Glossybox unboxing or all the other videos I have. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you in my next video.